Hello mga langga! Welcome back to our channel! Welcome to Mandarin! So today we're going to attend a first birthday and dedication of baby Titus. So Langga will be one of the ninongs and I will be one of the ninangs. So ninang and ninong duties muna tayo ngayon. Join us today in our today's episode. Let's go in! Ay, ano sila? At tara, tingnan natin yung ano. May ano dun, oh, may fish. Let's go in and see. There's a fish there. So this is the... Hi there! Good morning! Hi, good morning! Magano muna tayo ng fish, oh. Yan, ang fish. Dito sa kabila, oh. So, dalawa pala. Yan, yung isa dyan. Oh, parang ano... Dalawa pala. Yung isa doon, no? Yan. Galing kami niyan kanina. Ang ganda, oh. Welcome. I think we can go in. So actually, it's lunch time. 11:30 kami dito sa Mandarin. We're going in. Hi! Si Celine. Okay. So we're going to our, ano, parang kainan lang tayo every time, ah. Hi, Angel! Andito na naman tayo. And ang birthday boy. That is the birthday boy. The one. Birthday boy. Okay, table 3 is now. Table 4 tayo. Table 1 yan.
Long time no see.
I know. Parang kainan lang tayo nakikita. Table 6 yan. Ayan, win. This is table 4. Yan ang table natin. So that is our table. So, ayan ang ating birthday boy, Titus Theodore, first birthday.
Because he was born only how many months, Joy? 6 months, 6.5, right? Instead of 9. So, he was in the hospital. He grew up in the incubator for a couple of months, if I'm not mistaken. So it was a difficult couple of months for the family. But praise God, indeed. Look at him now. We saw him, many of you probably saw him in the hospital. He was like barely bigger than your palm. But
Picture taking na sila. Ako naman kakain na yan. Ito ang unang plate ko. Sushi lahat. Mamaya, hanggang kaya ng tiyan natin. Ayan, ang ganda. Umuusok. Tapos na tayo sa sushi. Oo. Gulay ako. Konting gulay. Ayoko sa ano. Ay, may isda pala dito. Fish. Tayo pwedeng marami, pero konti lang dito. May second plate. So may beef na tayo, gulay-gulay lang tayo. Very good. Good job.
How's your dog?
He's so cute. He's a big cutie boy. He's a big boy. Let me get a picture. He's cute.
Thanks for watching, mga langga. See you in the next vlog. God bless. Take care.